Alright, my name is James. I'm a sales representative here at Ringler Toyota in Temple, Texas. And today I'm going to show you how to pair your phone with your new Toyota. We're going to cover how to pair it and how to install the Entune app. So let's get to it. Alright, today we're going to be pairing with the 19 Avalon. So if you'll want to hop on the vehicle, we'll show you how to do that. Okay, so you go to menu. On the 19 Avalon, you go to menu, you'll hit setup, touch Bluetooth. It's going to pop up with there's no Bluetooth device connected. We're going to hit add a new device. It's automatically going to find your phone if your Bluetooth is on. So you go ahead and touch that. And then on your phone, it'll show pairing request. You just want to make sure that the number matches what's on the display and go ahead and hit pair. We want to hit allow for your contacts and favorites to sync. And it's going to take a few minutes to do its little thing. Now, when it pops up with you may need to allow message access on your phone. You find the vehicle, touch the little blue eye on your iPhone, and you want to turn show notifications on. That's going to go away and it's going to say your phone is connected. Now your phone is completely connected. Now, next step is Entune. I already have the Entune apps downloaded. You can download it from Google Play or from the App Store on iPhone. Your sales rep should set you up an account, should go through the registration process with you, and get you set up with your Entune. Your Entune is going to have all your different Pandora, iHeart, Slacker, NPR, One, and also allow you to save destinations in your map and all that kind of stuff. And once that's set up, you're all set and ready to go. You can listen to your iHeart radio from your phone. Just touch the audio button. Select over to iHeart. And we're going to hit OK. And it's going to start playing. Eventually. And there you go. Now you're all set. You're ready to go.
Awesome. Thanks, James.
Yep, no problem, Lauren. So there you have it. That's pairing your phone and setting up your Entune, which your sales rep should help you do. Now, if you want to know what's unique and what they've changed on the Avalons for 2019, come on down to Ringler Toyota. Let us show you the different features and what makes these vehicles so great.